Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit the like, share, and subscribe. I want to wish everybody a happy Black History Year. I hope you guys are out here this month and every other month of the year celebrating the ancestors as we should. With that being said, congratulations to everyone who pushed through January with the vegan challenge. If it was a struggle for some, it doesn't matter. You could always, fall off and jump back on again. For me, towards the end, it was a little bit of a struggle. We were doing a little bit of the traveling. I showed that video of the Great Wolf Lodge. I had some cheese on that particular day. And then a couple days later, I did have another little minor mishap, but we got over that and got back on it again. Then I traveled to do some work with the rental property. I was actually pretty good until I ordered some food, and my mushroom tacos came with cheese, even though I specified no cheese. So I still had to take those down. And then on my last day, which was the 31st, I just went completely berserk and I had 3 chicken wings. But overall, I think I had a very successful experience. I'm down 10 pounds. I planned on continuing with what I started in January because I still have not reached the desired goal outcome for myself personally. But if you guys did any part of the vegan challenge in January, give yourself a round of applause. It's not a difficult thing to do, but it's not the easiest thing to do, especially if you're used to the carnivorous life. So with that being said, I've been really busy, so I haven't been able to drop the videos the way that I had been dropping the videos, but today a change is gonna come. So I'm in the garden. I have to clean up. We have another winter storm coming starting starting Tuesday. We have another winter storm coming, so I'm covering up the barbecue pit. I'm coming to make sure that all the plants are secured. The last time I took Hurricane Hillary a little bit as a joke, and then you see half my pomegranate tree disappeared. So I'm securing everything, locking down everything, trying to put a couple of buckets out so that I can capture some rain. I need to do a quick harvest of some lemons. I've been promising, the lemons are here now, so I can fulfill a promise from last year to get some lemons out. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm just gonna harvest up some lemons and get some lemons out to the members who had requested lemons. Other than that, and to get some cuttings out to people who had requested cuttings. So that's what I'm doing today. It just seems that when life gets to lifing, other things that are important to me kind of have to be put on the back burner. And so now I'm trying to get back to those things. Everything is important, but there is steps in which I must complete in order to get everything done and still be and keep my sanity at the same time. So everything is looking really good in the garden. Dragon fruits are looking really healthy, really healthy. I'm just like amazed at how healthy these things look, and I hope that the excess rain doesn't ruin how they look at this time. This is one that I'm really expecting a lot of fruit from this year. Last year it fell, and so we put it in a new trellis. I have to come and do some dragon fruit maintenance, which is to cut everything off the shaft. And I don't too much worry about the rust. When the sun comes out all the way, that will kind of dry that up. So this is really looking really good. I'm kind of excited to eat some fruit from this particular plant. This is the only plant that didn't give me anything last year. I have a couple of trellises to still pick up and put some of my more exotic dragon fruits into those pots. And I planted some seeds. I've dropped some seeds, lots of collards, lots of potatoes. I have potatoes sprouting. I'll show you guys a glimpse of that, but I have potatoes sprouting. I need to really get organized, and a part of my organization is setting up my irrigation system for after all this rain is done, so that I could try to have things kind of automated and set to go even if I'm not around. So anyway, guys, I hope this video reached you in good health and good spirits. You know the motto on the page: each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.